Welcome back to the channel, guys, and this is a 2020 Toyota CHR. You guys want to see something crazy? This is what happens when you forgot that you have to do your brake job. That's what's left over from the rotor, and the brake pad is out of place. Obviously, it's probably welded. So this is how this car was driven. I believe it must have been 5-6 years that they never did a brake job on this car, and something may have happened to the caliper. I'm not sure. At this point, I need to obviously we need to replace this, but this is what happens when you don't do your brakes. This is extremely dangerous, but because as you can see, this reddish stuff, this is sparks from metal to metal. I'm actually very surprised that this car didn't catch fire. This is the welds, literally like welds from metal to metal, and all this stuff here. So this car must have been sparking on the highway. So please do your services on time, or this will happen and you may end up in an accident where you could even die. So take care of your maintenance, people. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.